Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making apple coleslaw. This is a super easy recipe. All we need is a bag of coleslaw mix and 2 apples, mayo, and apple cider vinegar. Super simple. Now, the mix is a shortcut. You can also make coleslaw from scratch by shredding cabbage and carrots. And we're going to use a food processor for shredding apples. You can also use a box grater. Super easy. So I'm going to start by dumping the coleslaw mix in a bowl. So this mix is 14 ounces here. So all it is shredded carrots and shredded cabbage. And the apples, I already washed them before making the videos. Now, whether you peel them or not, it's up to you. I don't mind the peel, so I'm not going to peel them. Peeling just adds extra work, I find. So I'm going to shred them using the food processor. It's fitted with a shredder disc. And to do that, I'm going to cut apples into slices and add the slices to the food processor. Adding the apple slices on top of the food processor, and now I'm going to put it. So super quick and easy. So this food processor shredded all the apples so quickly. So if I didn't have my convenient bag of coleslaw mix, I do the same thing with the cabbage and carrots, just shred it. So anyway, now I've shredded the apples. I'm going to add them to the coleslaw mix. Perfect. So this apple and cabbage and carrots are a great combination. Apple adds natural sweetness to the coleslaw. And now I'm going to make a dressing. So I'm using 2/3 cup of mayo, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, if you like sweeter coleslaw, you can also add some sugar, up to you, but I do find that apple is already naturally sweet, so to me, sugar is not necessary, but you can always add some sugar. So mix mayo and apple cider vinegar. And now add it to a coleslaw. And mix everything together. So now everything is mixed. At this point, taste it and see if you want to add seasonings. So you may want to add salt and pepper or not, totally up to you, because apple is pretty sweet. I actually, think it's good without extra seasonings, but you're always welcome to add salt and pepper to taste and any other seasonings you like. But to me, it's ready, super simple apple slaw. So now I'm ready to try it. Let's try it. It's so good. Apple is so sweet and so refreshing, and the cabbage is so crunchy, and this dressing goes so well with it. So simple is best. So few ingredients, and it's very flavorful and very delicious. You will love this simple apple slaw. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!